In this video, I explain the best passive income stream for busy people. You will learn how you can make substantial passive income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you have never done anything like this before. If you are looking for the fastest, easiest way yet to build passive, recurring income, stick with me till the end. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time almost since the start of the internet. Passive income has always been my number one pursuit. Hey, before we get going, can you help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week about creating passive income. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. So first, just what is passive income and why should it be your number one pursuit too? Well, passive income, also referred to as recurring income, is money that keeps coming in without any extra work. In my affiliate marketing opportunity, it's the money that continues to come in month after month, year after year, for sales you make each day. And here's why passive income is my driving force. It's how I leverage my time. See, passive income is how you get out of the rat race of just trading time for money, like in a traditional job or most side hustles. Creating passive income is what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job, just trading their time for dollars. No matter where you are in life, you want passive income. You need passive income. Once you have it, everything changes, especially if you are already busy. Let me tell you what I found. I think it's the best passive income stream, especially for busy people. It's a simple home business in the affiliate marketing space. It's all done online. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is needed. For several years now, this business has been my number one recommended income stream. It takes minimal time, just a few hours a week, whenever and wherever it's convenient for you. I even do it while I'm out sailing. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day and create long-term passive income too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, but best of all, with our online system, you can really leverage your time. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. Again, no previous experience is needed. When you join our team, you will receive terrific training and support. We hold live Zoom calls daily and have recordings if you can't be there live. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos and an awesome Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. So if you are ready to stop trading your time for dollars and finally escape the rat race, I invite you to take advantage of the best passive income stream. It's easier than you think. To learn more and get started creating your passive income today, take our online tour at joebarclay.com/passive. Again, that's joebarclay.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.